the Graham Auto Mall used car and truck superstore on West 4th Street in Mansfield, Ohio. We have over 300 pre-owned vehicles in stock ready to roll. Voted as the best place to buy a used car, we have the best prices and the best selection. From sports cars to trucks and roomy SUVs, compact SUVs and minivans, to all your favorite brands of pre-owned sedans. So come celebrate our 50th anniversary and see our $5 million worth of inventory only at your Graham Auto Mall used car and truck superstore.